don't know me, my name is Beau Brannan. I've been a part of this amazing company, Lifeway, for a little over 2 years now, and it's been absolutely life changing for myself and my family as well. I got started going into my senior year of college. Like Tommy said, I was a trackster, and I was really looking for something that could take my performance to the next level, a cutting edge technology, all about holistic um, modalities. So I'd never been into like pharmaceutical drugs or taking ibuprofen for nursing my injuries or anything. So I heard about this little stem cell patch and I started wearing it. I had these chronic migraine headaches that I was experiencing for about 6 months. I think that was just from performance induced anxiety, maybe, or something. But yeah, I started wearing the patches. Within 2 weeks, my headaches went completely away. And I was waking up feeling more refreshed in the morning, more recovered, and had an absolute breakout track season my last year. Never had to utilize the training room one time, other than maybe using the ice bath, but never used any like steroid patches or took any ibuprofen. And I was running 60 miles a week. And granted, the year prior, I had these terrible bloody feet that were not healing naturally. And so I started wearing these patches, and my skin, like the barrier, it just healed so efficiently. And I think it's because of that collagen peptide that's activated with the patches, which is really interesting. And the more you wear it, you'll see the benefits of it. But yeah, it's been absolutely life changing for myself from a health standpoint, and then ultimately, the finance side is amazing. Didn't want to work the 9 to 5 out of college. I had that vision of having time freedom for myself and being able to travel and experience what the world has to offer. And so I knew that LifeWave was the vehicle that was going to yield my highest return on my investment. And so it's been absolutely amazing. We're crushing it. And the money that I'm making right now is just a byproduct of helping change a lot of lives, just really helping change the health of a lot of people. So
Yeah, absolutely. And that's what's cool. What LifeWave has done is created an opportunity for people who care about helping people to build a business. And we're gonna have Jaime talk about that in a little bit. But Beau, they wanted to drug test you, didn't they? When you started to really.
yeah, they were. I was like crushing every time I ran. I was like setting a new personal best, and we were setting like some school record times. And so they were drug testing me because they thought I was maybe taking like a steroid or like or doping or something. I'm not really 100% sure, but I showed them what I was wearing. It was just this little tiny stem cell patch. So really cool.
Yeah, that's so awesome. Yeah, and then the feet thing too. I think a lot of people really quickly will see results in any sort of like skin condition because the skin is the first organ that the light is impacting, right? It's on your skin.
It's the largest organ in the body, yeah. So you notice the quickest.
Exactly. So people are seeing eczema go away, both his feet healed up, and then yeah, just I mean, what else have you noticed, Beau, athletically, like in the gym, gains wise?
I mean, ultimately, I love, Tommy, how you said just athlete for life, because I'm not a college athlete anymore. We're just trying to optimize our health at this point, right? Mm-hmm. But if you're really trying to narrow in and focus on athleticism, or you're trying to build muscle, I would definitely consider wearing carnosine, the energy enhancer, and X39 combined. I've been wearing those patches the last year, and I put on 25 pounds of lean muscle and kept my body fat percentage down around 6%, while gaining 25 pounds in the last, I guess it's been 2 years now, but since college. But yeah, just the natural way to increase lean muscle mass without, the toxic chemicals of SARMs or TRT or whatever there's out there nowadays. But yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think it's interesting because I know a lot of people that have a really hard time putting on muscle, like my husband here. And since he has started wearing the X39, X49 combo, he's really for the first time in his life made gains, without, he's not having to do the crazy things that you'd see the wrestlers in your school do and, stuff like that. It's very holistic and sustainable. And it's just been really cool to see that because,